The code W4007 in a Bobcat machine means right joystick Y-axis is not in neutral. In most cases, you will see the code when you push the press to operate button and expect the machine to start operating at the lift and tilt function, but this code prevents the right joystick from working at all. There are basically three groups of problems that can cause this. First of all, it's very likely a problem with the joystick itself. When they get too old, they may lose their neutral position and the electronics will see this. Unfortunately, there is no remedy for this, like calibration or whatever, so Bobcat dealerships just offer to get a new joystick base or the new assembly, which is not that cheap. In this case, you will only get the code when you push the press to operate button, and the solution is to wiggle the joystick in its central position while pressing that button again and again till the system lets you get through. Also, if the W4007 code appears after the joystick has been repaired or just cleaned or whatever, it's worth checking if the rubber boot is in its proper position. There is a serial number on the inside of the boot, and this number needs to face forward. Otherwise, the boot will pull the joystick a little out of the center position, and this will upset electronics in your machine. And the third scenario is an electrical fault in the joystick circuit. In most cases, it's a corroded ground connection or cable, loose connector, broken wire somewhere in the system. You can take off the joystick and see if the connectors are okay, but unless you have good equipment and knowledge about Bobcat electrical systems, it's a good idea to find someone who can fix this for you. If your Bobcat has an electrical problem like a bad ground connection in the joystick, this code will pop up randomly just when you work with the machine. So basically this is a glitch in the control system, and if you happen to have this symptom, don't buy expensive parts. You will need to have the electrical connections to be inspected properly first.